The lips a lip sync. Oh my god, I love this shade. It's Valentino Baby. Last but not least, we're gonna finish with mascara. Ugh, I don't know why my eyes always get watery, especially the right eye. I'm using Ilia Beauty. I like their mascara. It's not harsh, like the products are all friendly. But bitch, I'm the one. You know, we're just gonna leave it like that, cause so I just finished using Ilia Beauty mascara. Okay, I think I'm done. Just finished doing my makeup and I'm like, what the hell is this? Like, look at this. I don't know if it says smoky eye or like I don't know, like, do you know what shade I'm using? It's Valentino Baby. Okay y'all, so this is the final look. I hope you watch until the end. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, be nice, and yeah, I hope I see you again next time. Bye. So this is the final look. The lips. Look at the lips. Dude, what is she covering? Oh my gosh. Forget about the makeup. It's Valentino Baby. And this one is the lips and lipstick. doesn't make sense, but whatever. Am I the drama?